We are the drone team for the Ranger project, funded by NASA through the University Student Research Challenge.
Our project focuses on developing an efficient and collapsible drone platform for various tasks and applications.
Our primary objective is to design a 35-pound drone that can hover for at least 15 minutes while carrying a robotic arm and payload.
The drone includes a dedicated mounting interface engineered to attach to a robotic arm.
To improve landings in diverse environments, we are developing an adjustable height landing gear.
The drone vision system entails a stereo, RGB, and infrared camera for depth mapping and obstacle detection.
A dedicated video feed and manual remote control interface will give the pilot real-time visuals and precise control.
Our design includes electronics integration planning, a custom airframe, and an efficient heavy lifting propulsion system.
Next semester, we will present the fully tested and complete system of our